Have you ever faced a challenge so big it felt impossible to overcome? Today, we'll explore an inspiring story of determination, teamwork, and turning dreams into reality. Then, we'll uncover the key lessons from Lena's journey to help you face your own challenges with courage and clarity. Let's begin. Lena, a young architect, stood before a wide, turbulent river in her small village. On the other side lay the city of opportunity she had dreamed of her entire life. But with no bridge in sight, most villagers never dared to cross. If the bridge doesn't exist, she thought, I'll build it myself. Lena began rallying the villagers, sharing her vision of a bridge that would unite the village with the opportunities beyond the river. Some were skeptical, but a few saw her passion and joined her cause. Together, they gathered materials and knowledge to begin construction. As construction began, the group faced immense challenges. Storms washed away their early efforts, tools broke, and many doubted if the bridge could ever be completed. But Lena refused to give up. Each setback became a lesson, and her team grew stronger and more determined. Weeks turned into months, and the bridge began to take shape. News of their progress spread, inspiring more villagers to contribute. Some brought food, others lent tools, and even the skeptics began to believe in Lena's vision. The day finally came when the bridge was complete. Lena led the villagers across, stepping into the city that had once seemed unreachable. The journey was more than just about crossing the river, it was about proving that with unity and perseverance, dreams could become reality. The story of Lena and her bridge reminds us that challenges are opportunities in disguise. Obstacles may seem insurmountable at first, but with courage, vision, and perseverance, they can become stepping stones to greatness. True leadership is not about doing everything alone but inspiring others to believe in a shared dream. When you dare to start, even in the face of doubt, and invite others to join you, you not only achieve your goals but create a legacy of hope and strength.